From the moment Samson was born, his destiny was written by divine hands. The angel told his mother that her son would be set apart, chosen to deliver Israel from its enemies. His strength was a gift from God, bound by...
Samson was no ordinary man. He tore lions apart and defeated armies with his bare hands. People feared his strength, yet few understood its source, a covenant between him and God. But beneath the muscles was a man battling something deeper, the weakness of the heart. True strength is not... Samson was no ordinary man. He tore lions apart and defeated armies with his bare hands. People feared his strength, yet few understood its source, a covenant between him and God. But beneath the muscles was a man battling something deeper, the weakness of the heart. True strength is...
Then came Delilah, beautiful, graceful, and dangerous. She came not with love, but with betrayal hidden behind her smile. The Philistines promised her silver if she could uncover the secret of Samson's power. Samson, blinded by affection, could...
Tell me where your strength lies, Samson. If you weave 7 of my braids into a loom, I'll be weak as any man. You mock me. Tell me truly.
You want the truth?
I do.
All my life a vow has rested on me, a covenant with the Lord. My hair is the sign of it.
That night, as Samson slept peacefully on Delilah's lap, she cut off his hair. The sound of betrayal was silent, but deadly. When the Philistines rushed in, Samson rose to fight, but the Lord's strength had departed. For the first time, the strongest man alive was powerless.
That night, as Samson slept peacefully on Delilah's floor, he was taken, blinded and bound, carried all the way to Gaza. The mighty warrior became a slave, grinding grain in prison. The one who once stood tall before kings now stumbled in darkness. But in that darkness, something began.
Each strand that grew symbolized more than strength. It was faith being restored. Samson began to understand that true power comes not from hair, but from humility. He prayed again, not for revenge, but for one last chance to fulfill his purpose. Because
Lord, remember me, strengthen me, just once more.
Take it away! The mighty Samson! Get back! The pillars!
Walls came crashing down, destroying the enemies of Israel. Samson's life ended, but his purpose was fulfilled. He died not as a fallen man, but as one redeemed through faith. Sometimes, the greatest victory comes at the cost of surrender.
Guard your secrets, because not everyone who smiles deserves your trust. Discipline your desire.
Samson's strength wasn't in his hair, it was in his covenant, his purpose, his faith.
No matter how far you've fallen, redemption is still possible. You can rise again, stronger and wiser than before. Samson's fall was not his end, it was the beginning of his transformation. Let his story remind you that grace is always waiting.
Samson's journey is a reminder. You are strongest when your heart stays aligned with your call.